Hi viewers, today in this video we will learn how you can create account in Canva. For this we can go to site canva.com/login. The link will be in the description. Now I have this Gmail ID. If you don't have your Gmail ID, then create your Gmail ID, and after that you can log in through your Gmail account. So I will hit continue over here, and then I will hit continue over here. In this way you can create the ID for Canva, and your profile is logged in. This is the Canva free account. Thanks for watching this video. Now other things will be in the next video. Kindly subscribe my channel so that uh, you can get notification for my all videos of tutorial. Thanks.